In this quick tutorial, I will show you delete anchor point tools in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump on it. I am in Adobe Illustrator now. You can easily access this tool from here. Just right clicking, and here is delete anchor point tool, which keyboard shortcut is minus. Okay, so first I am drawing an polygon shape. I am drawing here. I am placing in the center, around center. So now if I hold down, click minus from the keyboard, you can see that I am accessing delete anchor point tool. So these are the anchor points. These are the anchor points, and if I need to delete any anchor points to reshape this shape, I can use this tool. So please see, delete anchor point tool remove anchor points from paths. So it is delete anchor point from paths. So I am clicking here. You can see delete this anchor point from this path. I am again clicking here. It deleted this anchor point, and finally I am clicking here. You can see now it is a triangle shape. Okay, so in this way you can delete the anchor points from the shape. Also, if I hold down Alt from the keyboard, this tool become changed to Shift to add anchor point tools. So that was for this quick tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.